Hi everyone, it's Chandra, aka Teacher Gameroom, here with another video to show you some basic PowerPoint tips. Before we get started, don't forget to like and subscribe for more great tips. Today I'm going to show you how to add or delete a slide. First, you'll want to go to the Home tab and click on this button right here. It will add a new slide. Another way you can do it is if you right-click here and click on New Slide. Now, if you want to add a slide with a specific layout, then you'll want to click New Slide and click down this drop-down button. And here you'll see many different designs, and all you have to do is click on one. We'll click to Content, and you'll have your new slide. And that's how you add a slide. Now, to delete a slide, all you have to do is go to one, and you can just click the delete button on your keyboard and it will delete it. You can also right click on that specific slide. So let's click on 2 and right click, and you can click on delete slide. And that's how you add or delete a slide. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like for more videos.